Why would such a powerful elephant stay tied by such a tiny rope? One day, a young boy saw the elephant and asked, "Why doesn't the elephant break the rope?" An old trainer smiled sadly and began to explain. When the elephant was very small, its leg was tied with a thick, strong rope. Every day, the baby elephant tried to escape. It pulled, pushed, and struggled with all its strength, but the rope was too strong. After many failed attempts, the elephant slowly gave up. Years passed, and the baby elephant grew into a huge, powerful adult. But deep inside, it still believed it was too weak to escape. So now, even a tiny rope is enough to hold it back. The elephant forgot how strong it had become. Sometimes, the only thing holding us back is our own belief. Never let old failures stop your future.